Welcome to this very short video about my F-5E Tiger II from REVELL in 1/44th scale. I built this quite spontaneously while moving to Vienna and starting my new job, and I did not really want to do a video about it, but a few people asked me about it, so here it is. And this is really nothing special, and as you can see I did not put a lot of effort into it. But still it's something new for me because it's the first desert camouflage that I did, and I used Petafix here for the masking. Petafix is some kind of poster tag in case you don't know it. And the colors I used were the Hataka Sand Yellow and Pale Brown, and I think that turned out relatively nice. And as I said, there's not really anything special about this. I just masked it with Petafix, then applied the decals and did a panel line wash. The kit has about 50 parts, but as you can see I did not use the landing gear on it. And there are also 3 fuel tanks that I did not use. And it took me just a few hours in total to build and paint this, so it's really nothing special. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this F-5E. My plan didn't change. I want to build all my 1/44th scale kits before moving on to bigger things. So my next build will probably be this F-16C, even though I don't like this special scheme at all. But it's the only option for this kit and I don't have any other decals. As you can see, it was on a sale. Other than that I would not have bought it. But yeah, this should be quite simple. Maybe I will also make some kind of display stand for it. Oh, I didn't mention it, that's just a piece of sprue and a bottle cap. I will paint this in black too whenever I use black next time. So that was my short little video about the F-5E. If you want to see more pictures of it, check out my Facebook page, my Instagram and my ScaleMates page. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!